So we're now going to teach you a dance that's called Rumba Bequine. We commence in shadow hold, which is the gent's left hand holding the lady's left hand, and the gent's right hand placed lightly on the lady's right shoulder blade. For the first 8 bars, we're going to be dancing on the same foot. We commence with the left foot, and we're going to dance 6 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're now going to dance left and right foot checks. So we're checking across our body, first of all with our left foot and then with our right. Check, replace to the side. Check, replace to the side. We now go into a little group of steps that's called Follow My Leader. They're really just spot turns. Now we're stepping forward to the wall on our left foot, turning to our right. We dance turn, 2, 3. We're now dancing right foot forward, turning to our left. Turn, 2, 3. This position that we're in at the moment is known as tandem position. We're going to go left foot forward again, turning to our right. Turn, 2, 3. Now on this bar, the lady and gent will dance different steps. So I will first of all ask Ted to demonstrate what the gentleman is going to dance. He's going to dance another of the Follow My Leader steps, but he's going to wait until he steps to the side. So he's dancing right foot forward, turning to his left. He replaces onto his left foot. He now closes his right foot to his left foot without weight, and then steps onto his right foot against the line of dance. So if we can get Ted to do that once more without stopping, he's doing turn, turn, brush, side. Now the lady on this particular movement will be waiting for the gentleman to complete his turn. So the lady is going to dance 2 steps of a forward basic, right foot commencing, forward, replace. The lady will now close her right foot to her left foot and then step to the side against the line on the left foot. So again, I'll dance that, and I'll dance it towards the camera this time, so you may have a better view of what you're seeing. So right foot, you're going to dance forward, replace, close, side. So if we put that bar together for you, both lady and gent dancing, on our right foot we dance 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we step to the side, we take our open facing position, which is gentleman's left hand holding lady's right hand. So let's go back to the beginning and dance those 8 bars. So both on the left foot, we've got our 6 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our checks, check on the left foot, check on the right foot. Now our Follow My Leader, turn to follow the man, turn to follow the lady, turn to follow the man. Now that special bar, man turns and we step to the side. Now from here, we're going to dance a check against the line of dance. So gentleman left, lady right. We're going to turn a quarter so that we check through the middle, replace and step to the side. Check, replace to the side. We now adopt double hold and dance 3 progressive walks. Walk, 2, 3. We're now going to dance an open travelling spin, gentleman turning to his left, lady turning to her right. You're now dancing forward, side, side. Forward, side, side. And once again, we've adopted gent's left hand holding lady's right hand. We now dance a fencing line, which is a check through the middle with a slight flexing of the knee. So gentleman on the right, Lady on the left, we check through and flex, check, replace to the side. So that's 3/4. Let's go from the beginning. So left foot walk and walk, 2, 3, walk, 2, checks. Check, 2, 3, check, 2. Now the turns. Turn, 2, 3, turn, 2, 3, turn, 2. Lady waits for the man. 1, 2, the check against the line. Check, 2, 3, the walks. Now the solo travelling turn and the fencing line through, 2, 3. We're now going to dance a basic movement, but making a 1/4 turn on step 3, which is in preparation for our step called the top. Now I'm going to get Ted to demonstrate this because this is a new step for us in the rumba. So on his 3rd step, his side step, he will make a 1/4 turn. So he will dance forward, replace to the side. Now the gentleman's top, he crosses his right foot behind, his left foot goes to the side, and then he closes his feet together. The lady will just dance the basic with the 1/4 turn and then 3 forward walks. So if we put the top together for you, we've got basic step, there's our preparation. Now the man's going to cross, the lady will walk, round, 2, 3. You will note that the man ends with his feet together, the lady will end with her feet apart, and we've made one complete turn over those 2 bars. We now finish the dance with an opening out movement for the lady to her right, while the gentleman dances a little rock step, a cucaracha, to his left. So the lady will open by stepping back on her right foot, turning a 1/4. 1, 2, 3. Now the gentleman on his right foot is going to dance a back basic, turning a 1/4 at the end to face the line of dance, while the lady dances an overturned underarm turn, and she will close without weight. Turn, turn, right round to your commencing position of shadow hold. So let's put all that together for you, the whole 16 bars. Commencing on our left foot, we walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check left foot and check right foot. Now you'll follow my leader. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now this is 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check and side. Walk, 2, 3, solo turn, 1, 2, and the fencing line, 1, 2, 3. The basic in to your top for the whole turn around. Open the lady out and under the arm to shadow.